Plotting from the Layout tab is very easy, providing you've gone through the page setup process that we went through previously. If I right-click on my A3 Landscape tab, I can go to Plot now, like so, and everything is there and ready to go. I've got my page setup sitting there like so, my DWF, my paper size, what to plot to, and so on. What I can also do, if I just cancel that, if I go to my Output tab, I've also got the plot option here. I can preview my plot. I can even batch plot electronic sheet sets if I need to. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to go to the plot dialog box. And what I'll do here, I'm going to change some of the settings from the page setup. The page setup prompts us to use ACAD CTB. Now, I'm going to click here and edit a plot style table. So if I click on there, that's the ACAD CTB setup. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to change things slightly. So I'm going to do a save as first of all, so that I don't change the ACAD CTB. And I'm going to change this to dims in red. Everything else will be black, but the dimensions will be in red. So I click on save there, and you'll see that is now a dims in red CTB file. You can also do this when you're plotting from the model tab as well, but it's a useful thing to know. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select all of my colours here, like so, and scroll all the way down to the bottom. Holding down the Shift key, I click like that. That will select all of them. And I want them all to plot in black, so I change the colour to black, like so. If I now scroll up and find my colour 1, my red, I'm going to click on that one, and as you can see it says black. I'm going to change that back to use object colour, or I could just set it to red. I know that the objects, the dimensions are red anyway, so I can use object colour. I'm now going to do a save and close there on that dims in red, and then I'm going to click on the down arrow here and use my dims in red CTB file. If I do a preview of that now, watch what happens. Everything that has a red colour setting in its layer is plotting in red. Everything else is black. It's monochrome. Look how much things like dimensions and text stand out with just a very quick change for your plotting to your layout. I'm going to right click now and exit that, and I'm also going to cancel my plot dialog box. The good thing is that dims in red CTB file is now always there for me to use on any page setup or layout.